Running a small business? The right tools can help you save time and work more easily. In this video, we'll share 5 must-have software that can help you manage your business better. Let's get started. Number 1, Trello. Running a business means handling many tasks at once. Trello helps you keep track of your work, plan projects, and stay organized. You can add tasks, move them around, and see everything in one place. Number 2, HubSpot CRM. A good business keeps its customers happy. HubSpot CRM helps you store customer details, track sales, and follow up easily. It's simple to use and makes managing customers much easier. Number 3, Canva. Need to make posters, social media posts, or flyers? Canva makes designing easy. You don't need any design skills. Just pick a template, drag and drop pictures, and add text. Number 4, SalesPlay POS. SalesPlay POS makes selling easy, whether in a shop, restaurant, or on the go. It offers fast billing, real-time inventory tracking, and multiple payment options. Plus, with customer loyalty programs and detailed sales reports, you can boost sales and stay on top of your business. Number 5, QuickBooks. Money management is important for any business. QuickBooks helps you keep track of expenses, send invoices, and prepare for taxes. It makes handling your business finances a lot easier. And that's it. These 5 tools can help you run your business more smoothly. Which one do you already use? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. See you in the next video.